Hey, we're back with another episode of Graham Cook Stuff. This stuff right here is pork chops.
You're a goddamn genius.
With that, I'm gonna do some adorable new potatoes, brand new. Welcome to this world. You're about to get cooked and eaten. With those new potatoes, I'm gonna do a chimichurri. I know what you're thinking. Hey, that's Argentinian. Sorry, let me do that in Argentinian accent. Oh, good day, mate. That's Argentinian.
Sorry, I'm an idiot, baby.
Nailed it. And it's an Argentinian sauce made from a little bit of love. And most of the time, you put that on some type of lamb dish. This dish was originally gonna be lamb, but in Graham's kitchen, chimichurri is going on new potatoes. I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of peas. Right, Gary? Right? Right. Pork chop number 1. Dead simple. Bit of salt. Fresh, cracked pepper. It makes a difference. Paprika.
Stop saying shit like that.
So all this is gonna do is just create a really nice crust. Boom, done. Okay, onions. God damn it. Peppers. Onions. Okay, so you know what I saw today? And I see this all the time. Why is it alright to just throw cigarette butts out your window when you're driving? What makes cigarette butts not garbage? You're still littering. It's just, it's a small piece of trash, yet honestly, it's still garbage, it's still trash, it's still got carcinogen and your spit all over it. Birds can't pick them up and make them into nests or anything. It's still trash. It's still garbage. Hey friends, and we're back. I'm just gonna keep chopping up all these onions. Oh. But honestly, a McDonald's cup, that's garbage. Wrappers, that's garbage. Coffee cups, that's garbage. Cigarette butts, that's garbage. Do the right thing. Butt it out in your car. Throw it in the trash when you get home.
I am Captain Planet! Captain Planet, he's our hero.
That's the last I'm gonna speak about this. Okay, we're done. So, I'm just gonna throw these in a pan with some oil, let them cook away, let them caramelize. Maybe I'll hit it with some oil halfway through, but it's gonna take a while. It's gonna take maybe 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Probably about as long as it takes to cook the potatoes. They're new potatoes, so they won't take a ton of time, but we'll see. We'll just play it by ear. Butter, olive oil, in. Want to keep that smoke point high. Try and redeem ourselves with the rest of this. Not bad. Lipsy daisy. Not bad. All right, now we're getting somewhere. Another knob of butter. Couple of crushed up cloves of garlic, sage, rosemary. Give that a tilt. Start basting. Oh yeah, baby. Let's do this for like an hour.
beautiful.
Get yourself tight-fitting lid. Boom. On. Off the heat. Pork chops. Chimichurri.
Just want you to stop saying odd shit.
That's what you all came here for, right? All right, about 1/3 of a cup of mint, parsley, and coriander. Just go in by hand. Okay, like a goddamn caveman. Yay much onion. Yay much onion. Lemon zest. A tablespoon of sugar. 2 cloves of garlic. Boom. A pinch of chili flake. Lemon juice. A couple of seeds get in there. Who gives a shit? Olive oil time. A crap ton. That looks nice. Love the Osta Versa, but it doesn't have anything between medium and ludicrous speed.
Ludicrous speed! Go!
So, you know how it is. Oh, lovely, lovely. Gonna go on a pinch of salt. Oh, the lemon, the mint, everything's coming through real nice. So nice. Okay.
We're there.
Yeah. Buy thinner cut pork chops. Try and get some bone on. Decent fat cap. And salt, pepper, paprika. That's it. Dead simple. Still so damn good. That's it. I can die happy. Keep cooking.